Hello lovely student, welcome to Silence Classes e-learning platform. Let's continue with the chapter number 5 of class 10th, that is arithmetic progression. Introduction part is already there in the playlist. Please go and check it out before moving to the exercise. Okay, I have explained each and every concept regarding this particular exercise over there in the easiest manner it is possible. Okay, so let's continue with the exercise 5.1, question number 1. What the question is saying: in which of the following situation does the list of number involved making an arithmetic progression? Means we have to check it out, we have to solve the questions and we have to check it out whether they are forming an AP or not. Okay, and you know what are AP? AP means the difference between the terms should be same. Different between the terms should be same, like 2, 4, 6, 8. You can check it out. 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2. You can check it out that the common difference between them is 2. Okay, we are doing question number 1, part 2nd. Let's check it out what the question is saying. The amount of air pressure in a cylinder when a vacuum pump remove 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Okay, means in this particular question we have to find it out whether whatever terms are coming while solving this, whether they are forming an AP or not. Okay, so let's take for an example, we can say the air pressure is 100 kg. 100 kg. Each and every time, how much air is coming out? 1/4. 1/4 is coming out. 1/4 of what? 100. 1/4 of 100. Okay, so it will come 25. Okay, means 25 kg is removed. Okay, first time, how much kg pressure is, or you can say air pressure is there now? 100 minus 25. Okay, means 75 kg is there. Okay, now what is this? 75 kg is there. So 75 kg, 1/4 is removed now also of how much? 75 kg. Okay, of how much? 75 kg. So 1/4 multiplied by 75. Okay, so 75 upon 4, so it will come, and 6 4 24, 4 1 4, 5 6 7, 3 35, and 4 8 32. 32 again, 3 will left. Okay, and 7 28, and 5, around 18.75 is removed now. Okay, so how much is left? 75 minus 18.75. Okay, so we can subtract it. We will get 52.66. Okay, sorry, 56.25 kg is left right now. Okay, like this we can check it out, but in this case what we have to do, the amount of air pressure is not given. So what we can take, let the air pressure be x. Okay, so how much is removed? 1/4 is removed of x. Okay, so right now x air is there. How much it is removing? 1/4 of x. Okay, like this. Okay, so find it out how much is left. Okay, in that cylinder we can subtract from x also. X minus 1/4 of x. Okay, so it will come x minus 3x upon 4. Oh, sorry, we can take x minus x upon 4. We will take LCM 4. It will become 4x minus x. So it will come 3x upon 4. Means 3, after removing 1/4, how much is left? 3x upon 4 is left. Okay, now 1/4 of removed, 1/4 air pressure will be removed of how much? 3x upon 4. Okay, because right now the air pressure is 3x upon 4 in the cylinder. So 3x upon 4 minus 3x upon 4 multiplied by 1/4. Okay, so it will come 3x upon 4 minus 3x upon 16. 3x upon 16. So LCM will come 16. 4 4 just 16, 4 3 just 12x minus 3x. So how much it will come? 9x upon 16. How much? 9x upon 16. Okay. So now we got the three terms. We got the three terms, that is x, comma 3x upon 4, comma 4x. Yes, that is 9x upon 16. Okay. So by subtracting we can check it out. We can find out the common difference now. Okay. So let's check it out whether the common difference are same or not. So 3x upon 4 minus x, it will come 4, it will come 3x minus 4x, it will become x upon 4, okay, minus x upon 4 will come now. 9x upon 16 minus 3x upon 4 will come. So let's check it out. 16, 9x minus 12x, 4 4 just 16 and 4 3 just 12x, so it will come minus 3x upon 16. So you can check it out, the common difference is not same, so it is not forming an AP. Okay, not forming an AP. Okay, I hope you guys understood how we have to do it. Okay, so please do like and subscribe, and if there is any doubt you can watch the video again. Okay, have a wonderful day ahead guys, take care, bye bye.